Hi mamas, were you given a nipple shield in the hospital? Did anyone show you how to use it? If not, I got you. So, if you forgot, my name is Paige Choska. I'm an IBCLC lactation consultant with Chance Medical Supply. Our goal is to provide you access to breastfeeding education support wherever you are in the world. So, when I see moms just coming home from the hospital, most of them have a nipple shield, and most of them apply it like this, just putting it on the nipple, and then they have a flailing baby where we're still working on that latch. They're a little flailing, and then we see that the nipple shield is constantly falling off. So now mom is focusing, trying to keep this on her nipple and latch the baby. It can be a lot. So let me show you how to attach this securely so you can focus on that latch instead of worrying about the nipple shield. So first of all, you want to invert the tip of the shield. So just push it inside out a little bit. It should look like this. Then you want to place the inverted nipple shield right at the tip of your nipple and push in with your fingers. Then with the rest of the shield, you want to stretch across your breast. Now this should help provide a little bit of a suction, and now it doesn't fall off. So I hope that helps you getting back to focusing on that latch and getting breastfeeding established. If you need any support, always feel free to reach out to us. We'll see you next time. Bye.